must identify anger. If your anger moves you to revenge rather than forgiveness, that is not from the Lord. Kung gusto mo na masaktan ang tao, lalong-lalo na sa isinusulat mo sa Facebook, I tell you, napaka-probinsyano mo pagka i-event mo ang anger mo sa Facebook. It is not professional. And it is not Christian. Get rid! Pagka sinabing get rid, iwaksin mo ang lahat ng bitterness.
Yes.
Rage! That is rage. Anger!
Yes.
Prowling! Slander! Along with every form of malice. Alam niyo yung malisya, hindi lang sexually oriented siya. Every time meron kang masamang iniisip sa isang tao, tawag doon, malisya. Mapaka-malisyoso mo. Every time na binibigyan mo ng kahulugan ang kilos ng tao, hindi na naman niya ako pinansin, inirapan niya ako. Eh, samantala, hindi ka lang niya nakita. Let us not only be honest to identify our anger, let us also be conscious of the duration of our anger. Alam nyo, may time limit si Lord sa anger mo. And many of us are so disobedient to this. We nurture our anger. Hanggang hindi siya nagdurusa. Hindi ko siya titigilan. Hanggang hindi siya napapahiya. Hanggang hindi siya luluhod. At magmakaawa sa akin. Do not let the sun go down while you are still angry. So, you can forgive. Release lah. Because you know what? When you release a person from your anger and your hatred and your bitterness, you will find very soon that it is not the person you release, but yourself.
Yes.
Amazing!
Yes.
Hindi pala siya nakakulong. Ikaw!
True.
Kalahin mo yung husband mo, nag-i-enjoy sa kasama kapiling ng isang babae. Double jeopardy. Kawawa ka naman. Samantala, pag nirelease mo na siya, wala na. Then the joy of the Lord comes back to you.
Amen.
Do not take revenge, my friends. You see, revenge is not for you. Leave room for God's wrath. For it is written, it is mine to avenge. I will repay. If your enemy is hungry, feed him. Woo.
Yes.
If he is thirsty, give him something to drink. In doing this, you will heap burning coals on his head. Do not be overcome by evil. Overcome evil with good.
Amen.
One lady came to Billy Sunday, a pastor, a very good pastor in the last century. He tried to justify her anger outburst. Sabi niya, Pastor, there is nothing wrong with losing my temper. I blow up. Pagkatapos nun, wala na. Just give me the chance to blow up. Sabi ng pastor, ganon din ang shotgun. Isang putok lang. Pero look at the damage it leaves behind. Learn to let offenses go. Kapatid, kakapagod. Di ka ba napapagod? Dami mo ng bagay na pagpaguran sa araw-araw. Huwag ka na maghalongkat ng kung ano. Ito, what is the offense? Offense! Halongkatin ang mga nangyari noon pa. Walang kabagay-bagay. minsan. Yan na lang ba ang pagbubuhusan mo ng panahon? Kung lahat ng energy niyan, inilagay mo sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon, mayroon ka pang blessing.
Hi! Thank you for watching the teaser. And if you are blessed, we would be happy if you're going to watch the full video on this side. And if you wish to visit our channel, please go to this side.